Welcome to HWM Aston Martin, and today we've got for you this lovely Mariana Blue DB11 Volante. Registered in December 2018, so this car will be on a 68 plate. Let's give you a bit of a run around on some of the spec and options that were on this car. So as I say, finished in Mariana Blue, which is quite an unusual colour for DB11. Was available or became re-available in DB11, but was an off-palette colour. So it's a really nice sort of purpley blue, but something that you would really need to sort of see in the flesh. So we also have the lower gloss black body pack on the car, so your front splitter, side sills and rear diffuser, and also finished off with the gloss black front grille on the front as well. We also have to match your front grille, we also have the gloss black side strakes on the car. And then we also have the match to body colour around the windscreen surround, and also the body coloured mirror caps as well. A notable feature on the side of the car, so we have these forged lightweight wheels in a gloss black and diamond turn finish, alongside with the red brake calipers behind on the vehicle. But overall, so the car's done 9,000 miles. It is in lovely condition and was supplied by ourselves new, and we'll have the remainder of the service package available on the vehicle as well. On the back of the vehicle we have your dark textured tailpipes, along with your smoked rear lamps on the vehicle, and finished off with your chrome badging and detailing on the back of the vehicle. Let's take a bit of a look on the inside of the vehicle, and we can run you through some of the colour and trims on the interior. So on the inside of this car we have a lovely interior. So we've got this Obsidian Black Leather, full leather interior, along with the optional having the tram rail done in the leather finish as well, so it's matched the leather colour. We also have a mocha roof lining and Alcantara cant rail around the roof as well. And we'll show you the roof shortly, but it is finished in Atlantic blue, so quite unusual for a blue Aston to have a blue roof and a black interior. You tend to get a more lighter colour, so this is a lovely colourway, this car. We also got the dark finish, black Obsidian black carpet on the car as well, with the contrast silver stitching on your leather and your door cards, and also on your seats. We also have centre perforation on the seats as well. So this car not only has heated seats, but we also have cooled seats as well, and that was an option on this vehicle. But things like your 360 cameras, satellite navigation, Bluetooth audio and that sort of thing is all fitted as standard. And the final touches that you have on the interior of this car, we have a satin silver jewellery pack, so that's your steering wheel surround, any buttons, switches, paddles, your centre column and your vent surrounds as well. And we also have electric steering column, cruise control and speed limiter. But and technology-wise, the optional content on this car, we have memory seats, twin lumbar support and bolster support, along with premium audio. What we'll do is we'll just show you an out view of the vehicle with the roof up, and but it is available on our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk.